This is a video walkthrough tour of 8411 South 50th Drive in Laveen, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Laveen, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Laveen. As soon as you enter, you will immediately feel the oversized and open floor plan that this 4-bedroom home offers. A large living area flows seamlessly into a separate dining area that is filled with light. And your kitchen is complete with all appliances included, plus generous storage space for all your kitchen essentials. This wonderful home is just a short distance to a community greenbelt. It is near shopping, restaurants, and freeway access. Here we have an internal laundry room with washer and dryer hookups. Let's take a tour upstairs. Upstairs awaits a loft, as well as all the bedrooms. There is also a full bathroom with a tub and shower combination. As you can see, the bedrooms come with ceiling fans to keep you cool and comfy year-round. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Here we have a versatile loft space with a ceiling fan. Additional features of this home include a lovely primary bedroom and extra perks such as built-in shelves in the closets. Thank you for watching today's tour of this lovely home in Laveen. Have a wonderful day.